have our first competitor in the ribbon challenge, Nastia Phelps. She's about to begin her routine. When you're ready, Nastia. Here's the first element, jumping over the couch, very nice. Brilliant execution, hopping on one foot in a circle. Oh, stumble a little bit there. Oh, holding your breath for 10 seconds. Here we go. So far, only one mistake. I think this will earn her some good scores, Phil. I think she's going to do pretty good. Alright, she's good with holding the breath. Now, 2 log rolls. 2 log rolls. Oh, she ran into the cabinet a little bit. That's going to be a deduction. Oh, here we go. To another element. Sitting on the chair upside down. Oh, wait. Strum the guitar. That was beautiful. But she almost forgot. That might be a 1/10 deduction. Sitting on the chair upside down, her final element. Struggling a little with this one. The very end. Very tired by now. And the dismount.
Here we are at Gandhi's chance at the ribbon challenge. She's getting all ready. When you're ready, Gandhi, just go for it. Here we are with the jump over the couch, going into a 1-footed spin. Oh, that's double. Going in for an extra bonus. 10 seconds of the holding in the breath. Going into a double log roll. Oh, not so tight on the log roll. Didn't make it around twice. The judges are gonna get her for that. Strum the guitar, and then the final move, the upside down sit on the chair. Little high up on the bridge there. But she did execute the upside down chair sit better than Nastia. We'll see what the judges have to say.
High five!
Our 2 competitors were pushing it to the limit. Go Wildcats! Here is our judge, Selena Gomez. How did you feel?
Well, after talking it over with my friend Nick Jonas, he said that he preferred Gandhi, and I have to agree. Gandhi was definitely better today, because Nick told me he was. So, watch Wizards of Waverly Place. Bye!
We are the champions, my friends. And we'll keep on fighting till the end.
And now the winner of the 2,874th Indoor Extreme Olympics Games held in Rachel's house. The gold medal goes to USA Nastia Phelps. And the silver medal goes to Gandhi of India.
High five! You are a champion. I am the champion. I win. Good champion as I love India.